Hey WKCTC, welcome back to your go-to spot for all the exciting things happening around campus. Let's dive in. One Book Read Regatta is almost here. While all spots for the race are full, you can still be a part of the action. Come cheer on your classmates as they huff, puff, and blow their tiny sailboats to victory. The event is at the Student Center on March 5th at 11 a.m. Who will take home first, second, and third place and score some sweet Amazon gift cards? Come find out. It's going to be a blast. Know someone thinking about starting college or leveling up their career? Invite them to our open house events on March 10th, 11th, 13th, and 17th. These events are a perfect opportunity to explore our campus and get the lowdown on all the awesome programs we offer. 8-week classes begin March 10th. Whether you're a night owl, early bird, or prefer to learn online, we've got you covered. Current students, check out the class search page on our website to find out your perfect class. If you know someone who wants to enroll, have them reach out to admissions for all the details. Got vocal chops? Now's your chance to audition to sing the National Anthem at spring graduation. Auditions are March 10th through 12th, so don't miss your chance to make graduation day unforgettable. Life can get tough, but you don't have to go through it alone. Visit the Matheson Library's You Are Not Alone display for helpful resources on food, housing, mental health support, and more. There's always someone here to help you, so check it out if you need a little extra support. That's it for now. I've been Jack Wickham, and we'll see you next time, WKCTC.